Guys, we just arrived here at the City Sports in Cebu for our induction of our new set of officers for Cebu Real Estate Board for 2026. So we're finally back here at the City Sports. Ang winding staircase. So we're kind of early, nag-set up pa sila. Let's go and see our man. Chita de Mare. Hi, Chita de Mare.
Sandales, aparte.
Good morning, everyone.
Muhangyo ko, nahulangan ako ilang oras, siguro mga 15 minutes. Sige. So today, I am tasked to give updates on the most controversial CPD or the Continuing Professional Development. Alam ni siya within 2 days nga ma-change ang inyong name. Katong na-correction. Sir, before I answer your question, ako sa i-review anong taon-taon ha. Para sure ko kung nakayo Vice President.
We thank you once again, our guest speakers from PRC. So we would like to award the certificate of appreciation and token to our guest speakers.
MPA.
Second open plus more recommend si JCCUD sa PR Beres na palihog na ang registration. And then for the second offense, automatic si JCCUD mo revoke na sa registration.
Being our resource speaker on the topic of the EDSU updates during our 11th General Membership Meeting, awarded this 27th day of November 2025 at Cubabong Grove City Sports Club, Cardinal Rosales Avenue, Cebu City. Signed, Hyacinth J. V. Malacca, President. Attorney Catherine Annabel El Hermoso, Vice President.
Guys, happy Thanksgiving, guys! Sir. Ma'am, happy Thanksgiving to our CFC family.
For enjoying your snacks, we would like
2024 on my web, Mr. Sir Glenn Soko.
Say name mo.
R.
The Vice Gov of Cebu, guys, Glenn Soko, with the past presidents of Sarah.
Yes.
Active member. I've had the pleasure of working with them for several years, and I miss those times when I was still an active mover in the private sector as a member of the chamber movement. Do a revaluation of real property values, not in the next 3 years, so there will be no increase in real property values. On a personal note, I've had the opportunity to come to know about this integrated flood control and drainage master plan. When
Here, would like to give a certificate of appreciation.
You are charged with the duties of seriously and resolutely furthering the objectives of Harep Serep.
Fully perform
I will faithfully perform
to the best of my abilities
to the best of my abilities
the duties and responsibilities of my position,
the duties and responsibilities of my position,
abide by, follow, and uphold
abide by, follow, and uphold
all the provisions of the Articles of Incorporation and bylaws of the Board,
all the provisions of the articles and bylaws of the board,
and compel obedience to the Code of Ethics
and compel obedience to the Code of Ethics
of the Philippine Association of Real Estate Boards Incorporated
of the Philippine Association of Real Estate Boards Incorporated
and the Professional Regulatory Board of Real Estate Service.
and the Professional Regulatory.
once again, congratulations to the new officers. Thank you very much.
The purpose of my board and the association. I also promise and swear to always lead by example and to work with a total support and cooperation of our directors, officers, and members. All of these I impose upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God.
Yes, from Dusit to City Sports again.
Inspiring, unparalleled growth and collaboration for the years to come. President Rainier Mora and the new Board of Trustees for 2026, let us have one vision: to elevate the real estate profession. Let us have one collective mission and to build better tomorrows for Sarah. Ladies and gentlemen, let's do it. And it is more impacting if we do it together.
And dedication are crucial in our success. And I am confident that together we can achieve great things. In closing, I would like to once again express my deepest gratitude to RF-SAREB members, officers, past presidents, and to everyone who will support me along the way. This recognition is a milestone in my journey, and I am truly honored to share it with you. Thank you, everyone.
Yes, from PRC po. We meet again. Hello. Our newly inducted president for SAREB 2026, Attorney Rainier Mora, guys. Congrats, Attorney.
Thank you for support.
Welcome.
Partners and friends who continue to shape the landscape
Exactly,
of
for
real
another strong
estate
year with
industry.
SAREB, with the new presidency.
First, let us extend our heartfelt commitment, tireless and unwavering dedication and service with to strengthen our organization. Let's give them a big round of applause. Mabuhay ang 2025 officers and BOPs.
Mabuhay! Cheers, everyone! Happy Thanksgiving!
Yes, our
Cheers!
youth president, incoming, Attorney Rainier Mora.
Yay!
The bell and gavel have been turned over to you. We believe and confident that under your leadership, sir, our organization will continue to thrive and grow.